Hello friends, welcome to the class of Cost and Works Accounting. This is a disclaimer statement of this particular video. This is the format of cost sheet which we are going to follow in the preparation of cost sheet. So this is our 17th problem. This problem appeared in the SYBCOM examination in 2016 October regular in the Savitribai Phule Pune University. So this is the problem. So as per our format, we need to first see the items and we will classify those items according to format. Okay, so this is the problem and this information is provided by Aditya Industries Limited, Pune. Of course, date is not mentioned over here. So we will not write in the solution the date for the period ended. We'll just keep it blank. So let us first classify the amounts. First, stock of raw materials. They have given opening and closing balances. So it is related to A part. Stock of finished goods, I, and stock of work in progress, that is E. Okay. Next, indirect labor, 50,000. E. Lubricants, again E. Insurance on plant, E. Purchase of raw material, A. Commission on sales, K. Sales salary to salesman, again K. Administrative expenditure, G. Carriage outward, K. Power and fuel, E. Direct labor, B. Depreciation on machinery, E. Factory rent, E. Repairs to the factory building, again E. And sales 12 lakhs. So now we need to prepare the cost sheet. So here I have kept the format ready. Okay, so first we need to write in whose books of account we are writing, right? So in the books of Aditya Industries Limited. Next line we write cost sheet, and next line to this we will write in the books of for the period ended. Now period is not mentioned, so keep it blank. Next, number of units produced and number of units sold, not mentioned in the problem, so keep it blank. Next is columns. 3 columns are essential, particulars, total rupees and total rupees. So in that we will solve as per our format. So in format you can go through the format. So first item is direct material consumed. Okay, so direct material. So in that, first opening stock of raw material. Okay, so amount is 40,000. Next we need to add the purchases, right? So add purchases. Here it is mentioned A 4 lakhs, right? So 4 lakhs. Then we need to add the expenses on purchases. Here it is not mentioned, so keep it blank. Do the total, it is 4,40,000 and minus closing stock of raw materials from this 4,40,000. The amount is 50,000. Okay, and do the total, it is 3,90,000. This is our direct material consumed. Okay. Next point is B, that is direct labor. Find out where is the B item. Here it is, 3 lakhs. Okay. So write direct labor and directly in outer column write the figure 3 lakhs. Next, write the C, direct expenses. Right, but I don't see or hear direct expenses figure, so I'll just keep it blank. Now do the total of these three things. It is 6,90,000 and this is your prime cost. Okay. Next is factory overheads. Now these are all items of E. So find the problem what items are there which are denoted at E. So first is stock of work in progress, but this is an adjustment, so we will keep it at last. Okay. Next, indirect labor. Okay, so it is 50,000. Next, it is lubricants. Okay, so lubricants are again 10,000. Next, insurance on plant 3,000. Next, see power and fuel. You have to check your problem, right? We have already noted which item we'll have to write where. Okay, so power and fuel it is 30,000. Next, it is depreciation on machinery. It is 50,000. Next is factory rent 60,000. Next, repairs to the fact um, repairs to the factory building. Okay, so here I have written properties now. Repairs to factory building. Okay, so it is 11,000. Okay, so do the total of this. It is 2,14,000, right? So now we need to do the adjustment. So adjustment on account of stock of work in progress. So here it is mentioned opening is 10,000 and closing is 14,000. Just add this 10,000 in 2,14,000 and minus 14,000. You will get the amount that is 2,10,000. Add this 2,10,000 in 6,90,000. This is your factory cost or works cost. Next item is G, administrative expenses, which is already mentioned over here. G, 1 lakh. Directly write 1 lakh rupees. Do the total and this is your cost of production. Now I is the amount that is adjustment on account of stock of finished goods. Okay, so just add the opening stock and less the closing stock. Okay, so if you do the add less, the amount will be in minus. So write in minus 50,000 and minus this 50,000 from 10 lakhs. Okay, so that will be 9,50,000. This is your cost of goods sold. Okay, next item is selling and distribution expenses. So find out the key item. First is commission on sales 60,000. Next, salary to salesman 1 lakh. Next, it is carriage outward 20,000. 20,000. Do the total and keep it at outer column. So that is 1,80,000. Add this 1,80,000 to the 9,50,000. This will be your cost of sales. Sales figure is already mentioned, which is 12 lakhs. Now minus this 12, this cost of sales from sales, this will give you the profit, that is 70,000. Okay, so thus we have completed here problem number 17 on the cost sheet. Okay, so this is the statement. Disclaimer statement. So this is the disclaimer statement. Thank you very much.